Welcome to our channel One Step, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Grand Mondial Casino account. So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to show you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on with today's video. First step, you want to search for Grand Mondial Casino login just like this. And after you search for it, the first option where it says Grand Mondial Casino, you want to click on it. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to the official website of Grand Mondial. Once you're over here where it says click here to login, you want to click on it. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, which is the account registration page. But we don't want to register our account in Grand Mondial, we want to log in. So we want to click on over here where it says already have an account, and this box will pop up. Once this box pops up, just enter the username of your account where it asks for your username. Where it says password, just enter the password of your account and click on login. And you should be able to log in into your Grand Mondial Casino account if the login information is correct. So that's how you guys can do it. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys in my future video.